Paris Charles Airport, ATC Information Alpha, time 1843 Zulu, wind 320 at 5, visibility 6, temperature 23, dew point 10, QNH 1015. Landing runways 26 left and 27 right, departing runways 27 left and 26 right, advise on initial contact, you have information Alpha. Paris Charles Airport, ATC Information Alpha.
Dragon 22, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, Dragon 22. Paris Charles ground, Dragon 22, ready to taxi with information Alpha.
Dragon 22, runway 26 right, taxi via Echo 9, Papa 4, Echo, Tango 9, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 26 right VHO 9, Papa 4, Echo, Tango 9, Dragon 22.
Paris Charles ground, Lufthansa 737 Super, ready for pushback with information.
Lufthansa 737 Super, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right.
Pushback approved, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Paris Charles ground, Golf Sierra Hotel Alpha Zulu, ready for pushback with information Alpha. Golf Sierra Hotel Alpha Zulu, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right. Pushback approved, Golf Sierra Hotel Alpha Zulu. Paris Charles ground, Golf Sierra Hotel Alpha Zulu, ready to taxi with information Alpha. Golf Sierra Hotel Alpha Zulu, runway 26 right, taxi via Echo 8, Romeo, Papa, Tango 12, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 26 right VHO 8, Romeo, Papa, Tango 12, Golf Sierra Hotel Alpha Zulu.
Paris Charles ground, Lufthansa 90, request taxi to gate L59 at the Terminal 2E.
Lufthansa 90, taxi to Terminal 2E gate L59.
Taxiing to Terminal 2E gate L59.
Paris Charles ground, Lufthansa 737 Super, ready to taxi with information Alpha.
Lufthansa 737 Super, taxi to runway 26 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 26 right, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Paris Charles ground, November 44 heavy, ready for pushback with information Alpha, requesting runway 26 right.
November 44 heavy, hold position.
Holding position, November 44 heavy.
November 44 heavy, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right.
Pushback approved, November 44 heavy.
Paris Charles ground, Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet, ready for pushback with information Alpha. Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right. Pushback approved, Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet.
Paris Charles ground, November 44 heavy, ready to taxi with information Alpha.
November 44 heavy, taxi to runway 26 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 26 right, November 44 heavy.
Paris Charles ground, Air Algerie 8969 Super, request taxi to gate B22 of the Terminal 2B.
Paris Charles Tower, Lufthansa 737 Super, ready for departure at runway 26 right, departing east.
Lufthansa 737 Super, wind 210 at 11, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 26 right, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Dragon 22, number 1, runway 26 left, cleared for the option.
Paris Charles Tower, November 44 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 26 right, departing east.
November 44 Heavy, hold short of runway 26 right.
Holding short runway 26 right, November 44 Heavy.
Number 1, cleared for the option, runway 26 left, Dragon 22. Stand by, Dragon 22.
November 44 Heavy, line up and wait runway 26 right.
Line up and wait runway 26 right, November 44 Heavy.
Paris Charles Tower, Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet, ready for departure at runway 26 right, departing east. Lufthansa 737 Super, frequency change approved, good day. Holding short run.
Frequency change approved, Lufthansa 737 Super, good day.
Condor 3733, contact Frankfurt direct on 118.5. Cargo Lux 469 heavy, do not exceed 280 knots. Lange and Fare Center, Lufthansa 8 Lima Echo, with you at 3000. Do not exceed 280 knots, Cargo Lux 469 heavy. Lufthansa 8 Lima Echo, Lufthansa 737 Super, contact Frankfurt direct on 118.5.
Contacting Frankfurt direct on 118.5, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Condor 2283 heavy, proceed as requested.
Frankfurt direct, Lufthansa 737 Super, with you at 12,000.
Turn right heading 220, descend and maintain 5,000, maintain 5,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 25 left, private wings 22 heavy. KLM 261, turn left heading 340, descend and maintain 9,000. Turn left heading 340, descend and maintain 9,000, KLM 261. Saudia 787, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 25 right at Flughafen Frankfurt. Roger, Saudia 787. Speedbird 141, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 25 left at Flughafen Frankfurt. Roger, Speedbird 141. Lufthansa 1115 Super is 9 nautical miles south. Lufthansa 737 Super, radar contact, say approach request. Roger, Lufthansa 1115 Super.
Condor 3733 is 6 nautical miles south of Elzest for 22,000.
Lufthansa 737 Super is 5 nautical miles west of Giebelstadt at 12,000 feet, requesting visual approach runway 25 left at Flughafen Frankfurt.
Lufthansa 359, turn left heading 310.
Turn left heading 310, Lufthansa 359.
Do not exceed 250 knots, KLM 261. Singapore 25, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Oscar Kilo Whiskey X-Ray Zulu Yankee, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Singapore 25. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Oscar Kilo Whiskey X-Ray Zulu Yankee. Lufthansa 1115 Super, turn left heading 230 and hold over Worms Airport at Lufthansa 737 Super, continue as filed, expect the ILS approach runway 25 left at Flughafen Frankfurt. Air Mauritius.
Roger, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Roger, Air Mauritius 210. Lufthansa 2848 is 6 nautical miles southwest of Breitscheid at 21,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 25 left at Flughafen Frankfurt. 7 Tango Alpha Delta India, please follow instructions. Oscar Kilo Whiskey X-Ray Zulu Yankee, contact Flughafen Frankfurt Tower on 119.9. 7 Tango Alpha Delta India, reduce speed to 200 knots. Air Mauritius 210, requesting descent to 6,000. Contacting Flughafen Frankfurt Tower on 119.9, Oscar Kilo Whiskey X-Ray Zulu Yankee. Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet, descend and maintain 5,000. Reduce speed to 200 knots, 7 Tango Alpha Delta India. Lufthansa 737 Super, descend and maintain 6,000.
Descend and maintain 6,000, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Turn right heading 330, descend and maintain 3,000, Lufthansa 118. Condor 3733, do not exceed 250 knots. Executing missed approach, private wings 22 heavy.
Do not exceed 250 knots, Condor 3733.
Private wings 22 heavy, requesting climb to 12,000. Saudia 787, turn right heading 110, descend and maintain 10,000. Turn right heading 110, descend and maintain 10,000, Saudia 787. Private wings 22 heavy, turn left heading 230, descend and maintain 3,000. Frankfurt direct, Lufthansa 2848, with you at 18,600. Turn left heading 230, descend and maintain 3,000, private wings 22 heavy. Lufthansa 359, turn left heading 230, descend and maintain 7,000.
Turn left heading 230, descend and maintain 7,000, Lufthansa 359.
Private wings 22 heavy, requesting climb to 11,000. 7 Tango Alpha Delta India, turn right heading 170, descend and maintain 5,000. Turn right heading 170, descend and maintain 5,000, 7 Tango Alpha Delta India. Airport in sight, Papa Hotel Alpha Hotel Tango. Private wings 22 heavy, contact Lange and Fare Center on 127.0. Contacting Lange and Fare Center on 127.0, private wings 22 heavy. Lufthansa 2848 is 5 nautical miles south of Braunfels at 16,700 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Flughafen Frankfurt. Turn right heading 220, descend and maintain 4,000, 7 Tango Alpha Delta India. Condor 3733, please expedite altitude change. Descend and maintain 5,000, Papa Hotel Alpha Hotel Tango. 7 Tango Alpha Delta India, report airport in sight. Wilco, 7 Tango Alpha Delta India. Lufthansa 454, turn right heading 210, maintain 5,000. Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet, descend and maintain 4000. Airport in sight, 7 Tango Alpha Delta India.
Turn right heading 210, maintain 5000, Lufthansa 454. Descend and maintain 4000.
Lufthansa 737 Super, descend and maintain 4000. Lufthansa
Descend and maintain 4000, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Frankfurt Direct, Lufthansa 1113, with you at 16,900. Turn right heading 270, descend and maintain 5000, Air Mauritius 210. Speedbird 141, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Reduce speed to 200 knots, Lufthansa 118. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Speedbird 141. Condor 3733, turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 3000. Papa Hotel Alpha Hotel Tango, turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 5000, maintain 5000 until established on the localizer, near ILS runway 25 right approach.
Turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 3000, Condor 3733.
Turn right heading 170, Saudia 787. Lufthansa 1113 is 8 nautical miles southwest of Maldron at 15,800 feet, requesting visual approach any runway at Flughafen Frankfurt. Cargolux 469 heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 25 right at Flughafen Frankfurt. Lufthansa 454, turn right heading 220, descend and maintain 4,500, maintain 4,500 until established on the localizer, near ILS runway 25 right approach. 7 Tango Alpha Delta India, contact Düsseldorf Tower on 124.35.
Turn right heading 220, descend and maintain 4,500, maintain 4,500 until established on the localizer, near ILS runway 25 right, Lufthansa 454.
Contacting Flughafen Frankfurt traffic on 122.8, 7 Tango Alpha Delta India. Air Mauritius 210, turn right heading 290. Turn right heading 290, Air Mauritius 210. Condor 2283 heavy is 9 nautical miles south of Mosbach-Lorbach at 24,300 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 25 right at Flughafen Frankfurt.
Turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 3000, Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet.
Turn right heading 190, descend and maintain 5000, Saudia 787. Condor 3733, do not exceed 220 knots. Condor 2283 heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 25 left at Flughafen Frankfurt.
Sun Express 1671 is 7 nautical miles east of Diaboltenai at 17,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 25 left at Flughafen Frankfurt.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Lufthansa 118.
Roger, Lufthansa 454.
Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet, turn right heading 220, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 25 right approach. Lufthansa 737 Super, turn right heading 340, descend and maintain 3000. Reduce speed to...
Turn right heading 340, descend and maintain 3000, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Lufthansa 1113, turn left heading 350, descend and maintain 5000. Turn right heading 330, descend and maintain 4000, Air Mauritius 210. Turn left heading 350, descend and maintain 5000, Lufthansa 1113. Lufthansa 359, turn right heading 270.
Turn right heading 270, Lufthansa 359.
Delta 024 Victor Alpha, you're in an active airspace, please contact Frankfurt Direct on 118.5. Sun Express 1671, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 25 left at Flughafen Frankfurt.
Delta 024 Victor Alpha is 6 nautical miles.
Lufthansa 737 Super, reduce speed to 200 knots. Lufthansa 737.
Turn right heading 040, descend and maintain 3000, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Lufthansa 454, request frequency change.
Lufthansa 454, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Lufthansa 454.
Lufthansa 27, contact Langen Fair Center on 127.0.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet.
Air Mauritius 210, turn right heading 020, maintain 4000. Contacting Langen Fair Center on 127.0, Lufthansa 27. Turn right heading 020, maintain 4000, Air Mauritius 210. Sun Express 1671, turn right heading 140, descend and maintain 9000.
Turn right heading 140, descend and maintain 9000, Sun Express 1671. Descend and maintain 6000, Delta 024 Victor Alpha.
Lufthansa 359, turn left heading 120, descend and maintain 6000. Air Mauritius 210, descend and maintain 3000. Bravo 1111 Super is 7 nautical miles southwest of Bad Berkheim at 14,700 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Flughafen Frankfurt. Lufthansa 199 Tango Juliet, contact Düsseldorf Tower on 124.35.
Contacting Flughafen Frankfurt Tower on 119.9, Lufthansa 454.
Frankfurt direct, Korea.
Lufthansa 737 Super, turn right heading 070, maintain 3000. Air Marit,
Turn right heading 070, maintain 3000, Lufthansa 737 Super.
turn right heading 170, maintain 4000, KLM 261. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Lufthansa 2848. Lufthansa 359, turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 5000. Condor 3733, turn left heading 070, maintain 3000.
Korean Air 070 Kilo Echo Heavy is 6 nautical miles west of Edelstadt at 16,600 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 25 right at Flughafen Frankfurt.
Turn left heading 070, maintain 3000, Condor 3733. Turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 5000,
Lufthansa 737 Super, turn right heading 130. Saudi,
Turn right heading 130, Lufthansa 737 Super.
turn right heading 280, Saudia 787. Speedbird 141, turn left heading 060. Making a left 360, Condor 2283 Heavy. Lufthansa 1115 Super, descend and maintain 7000. Turn left heading 060, Speedbird 141.
Frankfurt direct, Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, with you at 17,800.
KLM 261, do not exceed 180 knots. Air France 773 Heavy is 7 nautical miles west of Frankfurt Hahn at 22,000 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Flughafen Frankfurt. Do not exceed 180 knots, KLM 261. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, radar contact, say approach request.
Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha is 3 nautical miles west of Edelstadt at 17,500 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 25 left at Flughafen Frankfurt.
Turn left heading 270, descend and maintain 12,000, Korean Air 070 Kilo Echo Heavy.
KLM 2, Lufthansa 737 Super, turn right heading 240.
Turn right heading 240, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Condor 3733, turn left heading 360.
Turn left heading 360, Condor 3733.
Reduce speed to 200 knots, Speedbird 141. Lufthansa 1113, turn left heading 280, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 25 left approach. Delta 024 Victor Alpha, turn right heading 160, descend and maintain 5000.
Turn right heading 160, descend and maintain 5000, Delta 024 Victor Alpha.
Air France 773 Heavy is 3 nautical miles east of Frankfurt Hahn at 19,200 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Flughafen Frankfurt. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 25 left at Flughafen Frankfurt. Turn left heading 250, descend and maintain 5000, Cargolux 469 Heavy. Air France 773 Heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 2. Lufthansa 737 Super, turn right heading 300, maintain 3000.
Turn right heading 300, maintain 3000, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Turn left heading 300, descend and maintain 4000, Condor 2283 Heavy. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, turn left heading 260, descend and maintain 12,000. Airport in sight, Saudia 787.
Turn left heading 260, descend and maintain 12,000, Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha.
Bravo 1111 Super, turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 11,000. Turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 11,000, Bravo 1111 Super. Saudia 787, turn right heading 050. Condor 3733, turn right heading 060. Turn right heading 05. Lufthansa 737 Super, turn right heading 330, maintain 3000.
Turn right heading 330, maintain 3000, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Lufthansa 1113, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Speedbird 141, turn left heading 280, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 25 left approach. Condor 3733, avoid sending duplicate message. Lufthansa 737 Super, reduce speed to 200 knots. Roger.
Reduce speed to 200.
Lufthansa 737 Super, turn left heading 280, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 25 left.
Turn left heading 280, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 25 left, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Contacting Flughafen Frankfurt Tower on 119.9, Delta 024 Victor Alpha.
Condor 2283 Heavy, turn left heading 280, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 25 left approach. Saudia 787, descend and maintain 4000. Turn left heading 280, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the Lufthansa 737 Super, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final.
Roger, Ocean.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Lufthansa 737 Super.
Lufthansa 1115 Super, please follow instructions or you will be reported. Lufthansa 1115 Super, turn left heading 010, descend and maintain 4000.
Turn left heading 010, descend and maintain 4000, Lufthansa 1115 Super. Descend and maintain 4000, Lufthansa 359.
Bravo 1111 Super, do not exceed 250 knots. Do not exceed 250 knots, Bravo 1111 Super.
Speedbird 169 India Golf is 5 nautical miles west of Mending at 27,900 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 25 right at Flughafen Frankfurt.
Royal Air Maroc 810 Delta, turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 13,000. Turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 13,000, Royal Air Maroc 810 Delta. China Eastern 619, Lufthansa 737 Super, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final.
Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. Lufthansa 737 Super.
Korean Air 070 Kilo Echo Heavy, turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 5,000. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, turn right heading 260, descend and maintain 7,000.
Turn right heading 260, descend and maintain 7,000, Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha.
Turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 5,000. Korean Air 070 Kilo Echo Heavy.
Eurowings 1066, turn right heading 120, descend and maintain 7,000. Turn right heading 120, descend and maintain 7,000, Eurowings 1066. China Eastern 619 Super, do not exceed 250 knots. Ryanair 7820,
Lufthansa 737 Super, request frequency change.
China Eastern 619 Super, turn right heading 130, descend and maintain 9,000. Ocean 073, make a left 360.
Turn right heading 130, descend and maintain 9,000, China Eastern 619.
Lufthansa 737 Super, contact Flughafen Frankfurt.
Con.
Lufthansa 356, your number 4 for departure. Roger,
Flughafen Frankfurt Tower, Lufthansa 737 Super, inbound on the visual runway 25 left.
November 242 Papa November, your number 6 for departure. Las Vegas, your number 7 for departure.
Roger, Golf Charlie Kilo Papa Whiskey Super.
Lufthansa Cargo 2020, your number 2 for departure.
Roger, Las Vegas.
Roger, Lufthansa Cargo 2020, Roger, no. Lufthansa 737 Super, continue inbound. Lufthansa 359.
Continuing inbound, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Continuing inbound, Lufthansa 359.
Lufthansa 359, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Lufthansa 359.
Lufthansa 1113, continue taxi. Continue taxi, Lufthansa 1113. Lufthansa 1113, continue straight ahead. Boeing 639 Super, contact Langen Fare Center on 127.0. Continuing ahead, Lufthansa 1113. Lufthansa 737 Super, number 1, runway 25 left, cleared to land.
Wilka.
Number 1, clear to land, runway 25 left, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Speedbird 141, when able turn right, hold short runway 25 center. Lufthansa 75 Lima, line up and wait runway 25 center.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 25 right, Lufthansa 359. Line up and wait runway 25 center, Lufthansa 75 Lima.
Lufthansa 1113, hold short at runway 25 center. Holding short runway 25 center, Lufthansa 1113. Speedbird 141, stay on my frequency. Lufthansa Cargo 2020, contact Langen Fare Center on 127.0. Contacting Langen Fare Center on 127.0, Lufthansa Cargo 2020. Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu, hold short at runway 25 center. Wilco, Speedbird 141, holding short runway 25 center, Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu.
200.
Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu, you are not cleared to enter the runway, please exit the runway. Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu, you are not cleared
100.
to enter the runway, please exit the runway.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform
Retard.
Zulu, thank you. Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform
10.
Zulu, hold short
Retard.
at runway 25
Retard.
center. Holding short runway 25 center, Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu. Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu, hold position. Lufthansa 75 Lima, wind 330 at 9, runway 25 center, cleared for takeoff. Lufthansa 737 Super, when able turn right, hold short runway 25 center.
Wilco, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Holding position, Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu. Saudia 787, enter straight in runway 25 left. Enter straight in runway 25 left, Saudia 787. Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu, line up and wait runway 25 center.
Flughafen Frankfurt Tower, Condor 3733, inbound on the ILS runway 25 left.
Line up and wait runway 25 center. Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu, you are not cleared to enter the runway, please exit the runway. Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu, you are not cleared to enter the runway, please exit the runway. Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu, thank you. Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu, hold short of runway 25 center. Holding short runway 25 center, Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu. Charlie 9 Alpha Uniform Zulu, hold position. Lufthansa 75 Lima, wind 330 at 9, runway 25 center, cleared for takeoff. Lufthansa 0613, line up and wait runway 25 center.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 center, Lufthansa 75 Lima.
Line up and wait runway 25 center, Lufthansa 0613. Lufthansa 737 Super, when able turn right, hold short runway 25 center. Flughafen Frankfurt Tower, Saudia 787 is 10 nautical miles to the east of 3,000 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 25 center.
Wilco, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Condor 3733, continue inbound.
Continuing inbound, Condor 3733.
Lufthansa 359, when able turn left, contact ground on attack. Lufthansa 737 Super, stay on my frequency. Speedbird 141, cross runway 25 center. Lufthansa 1113. Lufthansa 737 Super, cross runway 25 center.
Crossing runway 25 center, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Contacting Lufthansa 737 Super, contact Flughafen Frankfurt ground on 121.8. Contacting Flughafen Frankfurt ground on 121.8.
Contacting Flughafen Frank.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 25 right, Cargolux 469 heavy. Standby, Lufthansa 65 heavy. Taxiing to parking, Speedbird 141.
Swiss 1081, pushback approved, expect runway 25 center.
Pushback approved, Swiss 1081.
Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Lufthansa 359, ready to taxi. Singapore 023, hold position.
Holding position, Singapore 023.
Lufthansa 359, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Taxiing to parking, Lufthansa 359.
Flughafen Frankfurt ground, KLM 261, ready for pushback with information echo.
KLM 261, pushback approved, expect runway 25 center.
Pushback approved, KLM 261.
Singapore 023, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Singapore 023. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Lufthansa 1113, request taxi to gate A15 at the Terminal 1 Concourse A East.
Singapore 023, hold position.
Holding position, Singapore 023. Thank you, good day, Lufthansa 650.
Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Lufthansa 737 Super, request taxi to park.
Lufthansa 737 Super, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, Lufthansa 737 Super.
Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Swiss 1081, ready to taxi with information echo.
Delta 321, pushback approved, expect runway 25 center.
Pushback approved, Lufthansa 92 Tango.
Swiss 1081, taxi to runway 25 center, contact tower when ready.
Pushback approved, Delta 321. Taxiing to runway 25 center, Swiss 1081.
Singapore 023, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Singapore 023. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, KLM 261, ready to taxi with information echo.
KLM 261, taxi to runway 25 center, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 25 center, KLM 261. Continue taxi, Victor 8 Charlie Alpha Tango. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Ocean 622, ready to taxi with information echo.
Ocean 622, runway 18, taxi via Lima, Lima 17, November, contact tower when ready. Victor 8 Charlie Alpha Tango, contact Flughafen Frankfurt Tower on 119.9. 4 Lima Kilo India Romeo India Lima, contact Flughafen Frankfurt Tower on 119.9. Lufthansa 542, contact Flughafen Frankfurt Tower on 119.9.
Contacting Flughafen Frankfurt Tower on 119.9, Victor 8 Charlie Alpha Tango. Taxiing to runway 18 via Lima, Lima 17, November, Ocean 622. Contacting Flughafen Frankfurt Tower on 119.9, 4 Lima Kilo India Romeo India Lima.
Speedbird 141, hold position.
Holding position, Speedbird 141. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Delta 321, ready to taxi with information echo. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Lufthansa 92 Tango, ready to taxi with information echo.
Lufthansa 92 Tango, taxi to 18 to 36 via November 3, November, Whiskey 1.
Standby, Lufthansa 92 Tango. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Delta 321, ready to taxi with information echo. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Speedbird 141, request taxi to gate B25 at the Terminal 1 Concourse B West. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Cargolux 469 heavy, request taxi to the cargo north. Flughafen Frankfurt ground. Flughafen Frankfurt traffic, Lufthansa 92 Tango, taxiing to runway 25 center. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Lufthansa 92 Tango, ready to taxi to runway 25 center with information echo.
Singapore 023, taxi to N via November, November 8, Lima, November 9, November.
Taxiing to N via November, November 8, Lima, November 9, November, Singapore 023.
Lufthansa 92 Tango, runway 18, taxi via November 3, November, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 18 via November 3, November, Lufthansa 92 Tango.
Delta 024 Victor Alpha, hold position. Holding position, Delta 024 Victor Alpha. Lufthansa 359, taxi to runway 25 center, contact tower when ready. Delta 024 Victor Alpha, continue taxi. I'm sorry, Lufthansa 359. Continue taxi, Delta 024 Victor Alpha. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Lufthansa 359, request taxi to parking.
Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Lufthansa 6408, ready for pushback with information echo.
Lufthansa 359, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Taxiing to parking, Lufthansa 359. Lufthansa 6408, pushback approved, expect runway 18. Cargolux 469 heavy, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Ocean 622, continue taxi. Flughafen Frankfurt ground, Lufthansa 34, ready for pushback with information echo.
Continue taxi, Ocean 622.
Lufthansa 34, pushback approved, expect runway 18. Pushback approved, Lufthansa 34.